Party. Hello everyone, today I want to add about someone I truly admire. Um, I have you ever watched the Wall of Street. Well, my admiration was to character in that movie Jordan Welford or the actor Leonardo DiCaprio. Now, before I dive into why my admiration games let me clarify something I don't admire Jordan well for his action or the things he did in each movie in the facts or right now. Many of his actions were illegal and illegal. Yes, my admire is his ability to bounce back and to learn from his mistakes. Jordan Welford started only talking about a dream to succeed in the world of the finance.
Personas con dinero, mucho dinero. Así que decidí reinventar la compañía. Caballeros, bienvenidos a Stratton Oakmont. Ustedes...
He faced numerous obstacles and several purchases and even after two spots, but he didn't give up. Yes, one of the reasons I admire Jordan is his aerial science because he went through incredibility times, yet he managed to turn hills, leaves and rounds.
La clave para ganar dinero en una situación así es posicionarse antes de hacer el acuerdo. Porque para cuando leas las noticias en el Wall Street Journal, ya será tarde. Y esperen.
My admiration for Jordan Welford is about endorsing his actions but recognizing his ability to bounce back, his charisma and the relations we can learn from his story. Oh, my story. Yes, we training to get him to sell a spend at a conference, for example. Thank you.
Véndeme esta pluma.